We're out here in Shipshewana, Indiana at the Shipshewana Sports Card Show. Absolutely packed already in there. We are literally almost in the middle of nowhere, but a bunch of collectors are here to buy and sell sports cards this weekend. I'm super excited to go in there, find out what we can get, both soccer and baseball. Extremely excited to see the quality inventory in there. I hope you all enjoy this episode of Coast to Coast Cards here on the SlabStox YouTube channel. Let's get it. Everything we buy in here today at the Shipshewana Card Show will be available on our Whatnot singles streams. March 16th is going to be our spring training baseball stream with Nate, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Be sure to save that stream right now on the SlabStox channel on the Whatnot app. And then myself will be live for the Whatnot Card Show 2.0, March 24th. That's a Friday at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time with all the soccer singles. So be sure to save those streams, come out to the show, get some deals. It'll be a great time. And let's go see what we can get inside the Shipshewana Card Show. Yeah, that's fair. It's like a PSA 9 sold for $15 and a PSA 10 sold for $40. So it's probably a little bit more than the PSA 9.
Yeah, I know. Well, when you put like 8,000 cards,
somewhere around there. So what I would do is this. I would take this, I'd take this, and this. You said 35 on that, right?
Yes.
So I give you 35 on that, I'd give you 25 on that, it gets to 60, but I'd take that for 20 though, so you get 80 if we do all three of those. $5 off both those and I give you 20 for that.
I'll do it.
You'll do it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Harrison. We got Marcelo Meyer, Brady House, and Julio Rodriguez. All right, 80 coming your way. I got some baseball. Yeah. I'm at 470 on those.
maybe at like 5 even.
Can I see it again?
Yeah, it's really cool.
If you threw in the 2 of these, I'd do 500.
Do that.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Like 180.
180?
180.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, fair.
I got room.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, that's a fun one. Is that yours too?
Yep.
Jordan, right after I finish this, let's talk.
You got it, Aaron.
If you're good. I mean, I give you like 34 and do 210 between them. 180 and that. 30 on that, so 210.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm the easiest person to deal with.
I love that Messi. I've never owned one.
No?
I've never owned one, no. There it is.
Say, what does it say the 9 is valued at now?
It's closer to 760. I would give you, actually I forgot about that. How much more do you think that's worth out of 10? If you toss that in, just because I really like it, I would do $1,100 between the 3.
I'm happy to work with you. I just don't know, like, Holland's a guy that I'm not as
Okay, that's fair.
eager to
sell.
To discount. I mean, not to sell, but like.
Does 1,200 do it for all 3 or no?
That's fair.
Okay. And the 1,200 feels like it's closer to.
It gives you a little wiggle room.
Yeah, it feels like it's close to the
And
true
you're not
value
beating
too.
And you're not beating me up.
So was
too
like
much.
Emirates. Thank you, Jordan. You do 180 on it?
What do we have on it?
200?
Yeah, we'll do 180.
Thank you, sir. I give you 90 bucks on the Muncie. The auto's a little streaky, which is mostly why.
He's a good kid. He collects his own cards.
Yeah, I saw he was at Burbank.
90's fine.
Okay, cool.
Sell in the Max Muncie.
There we go. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. He's like the #3 prospect in baseball now. Oh, you're buying these players?
I'd rather, I'll sell. Again, I have multiple.
I'm more curious if you have the prices on these.
Yeah, it'll still be about 100 on the refractors on the Davis.
Okay. Well, I'll take the cruise from you. Thank you. There you go.
It again.
Yes, sir. Harrison. Big deal Harrison right there.
Right down to the acrylic as well.
Wow.
So it's protected by the outer level, but I have.
Super cool.
35 for 30?
You can't do 35. I go up to 30. 30, yeah. It's fine. Appreciate it. Yo, Logan, can I see the Hunter Green up there?
Yeah.
Will you do 280 between the green and two of the PSA 10s?
The Mojos?
Yeah. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Good stuff. Just got done here at the Shipshewana Card Show in Indiana. So many people in there, packed show, tons of collectors coming out doing deals. It was an absolutely fantastic time. Got a lot of great buys that will be sold on Whatnot single shows, baseball and soccer, March 16th and March 24th. Be sure to save those streams right now. Awesome people, awesome cards, can't have better things to say, and I hope you all are finding your local shows too, because there's a lot of action right now in the hobby. Great place to be. Please like and subscribe, follow SlabStox on Instagram, and we'll hope to see you all in the next Coast to Coast cards here on the SlabStox YouTube channel.